Long multiplication taking too long? Here's a quick mental math trick that'll save you time on exams, breaking numbers into parts. Let's solve 23 times 47. First, break 23 into 20 and 3. Do the same with 47. Break it into 40 and 7. Now multiply the parts. Start with 20 times 40. That's 800. Next, multiply 20 by 7 for 140 and 3 by 40 for 120. Finally, 3 times 7 is 21. Now, add them all together. 800, 140, 120, and 21. That's 1081. See how quick that was? No long steps, just smart breakdowns. Use this trick whenever you face two-digit multiplication in exams. It's a real time saver. Just break the numbers down, multiply the parts, and add them up. Simple and efficient. Master this, and you'll breeze through multiplication in no time. Foundational Math Hacks, Episode 1. Multiplication made easy. Hack your way to success. Subscribe for more math hacks.